Day 699 being Christopher Cruz. I just got to Target. I had to buy a blender and everything to make this smoothie for our pastor on stage. And I get here and the fire alarm's going off. So I don't even know if I'll be able to go to Target. Maybe they'll have people evacuating or something. I have no idea. But yeah, we will see. And our pastor gets to the church in 10 minutes, and I'm supposed to be there with his coffee ready, which is not going to happen. And I have to have everything else set up. I was driving here, I'm like, all right, God, I surrender. Help. Help. Help, help. So, we'll see. Good test.